Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And this video, I'll be teaching you guys how to cheat or look like you know how to solve the Rubik's Cube. So first, you have to go to someone who knows how to solve the Rubik's Cube, like someone like me. So this is scrambled, so let me just solve it real quick. So you just go to someone who knows how to solve it, or you just buy one. It's always solved. So after solved, you just repeat the moves I'm going to show you. It's not that hard. Anybody can do it. And it doesn't even take that long. It takes like less than a minute. Way less than a minute. And if you practice, you can do it really fast. I just messed up. That took a while, but so after it's solved, you just repeat two things over and over. So the Rubik's Cube, if you do one thing like over and over, like two moves over and over after it's solved, any two moves, it would just go back. So the one I learned by myself, one day I was just trying and then it worked, was you go, let me just show you my way. You go up, then left, up, left, up, left. So you just repeat those moves over and over. So it goes like this. I don't know if you guys can focus. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you just repeat those movements over and over. So it takes 126 of those. So we should 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Voila, that's how it's done. So if you keep practicing, so I haven't done it in a long time, but if you keep doing it like little, but like after one day, it would like be this fast. By the way, this is not the speed cube, and it's better to do with the speed cube. So if you guys want to buy it, I'll put it in the description below to get the perfect one. So yeah, that's how you do it. And like, let me teach you guys. If you guys want to do it really fast, you hold this one and this one. You hold right here with one finger and right here with one finger, like this, and then you move your index finger like that, and then you just do it. So that's one way. But if you just want to solve it like easily, you go like this way to do it. Like if you just want to do it like that. Like that. Yeah. So you just repeat those two movements and you will get it. So that's the end of this video. And you guys can find me on Instagram like always. And if you guys have any ideas for me, comment below and I'll be sure to check them out. And see you guys next time. Peace out.